Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm introducing a new educational course. Turn your imagination into reality with Blender. This professional course covers game development, animation, and 3D design, from modeling to cinematic rendering. If you want to create striking portfolio pieces and shine in the world of digital art, this course is for you. Start today and unlock your talent in the 3D world. This course is rated 4.1 and has over 24,000 students, making it a successful choice. Its current price is about €20. By purchasing the course, you gain full access and benefit from future updates. The total duration is 6.5 hours, and here is what you will learn: core Blender functionality, solid foundation in modeling, sculpting, texturing, lighting, animation, and rendering techniques. Industry-specific workflows. Learn the specific processes and considerations for creating game assets, film characters, and 3D design elements within Blender. Advanced techniques. Dive deeper into character creation, animation rigging, environment design, hard surface modeling, and fluid simulations. Material creation and texturing. Master the art of creating realistic and visually appealing materials for your 3D models. Lighting and rendering. Learn how to set up professional lighting setups and render high-quality images and animations for your projects. Now I have an exciting offer for you. I'll show you how to access this valuable course legally and for free. To get started, subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Next, open your browser and type couponcenter5.com in the Google search engine. In the search results, click on the correct link. Make sure the website address matches exactly what you see here. You'll be directed to couponcenter5.com. After clicking the link, you'll reach the homepage of the site. On this website, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search feature to find your desired course. Once you find the course, scroll down and click the button. Go to the course. The course will be offered to you for free. Please note that the coupon is time-sensitive. With just a few clicks, you'll gain legal and free access to the course. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.